thunderstorms. Breezy with highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain.
7 p.m.
Sunday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers.
Here we go.
Chance of thunderstorms until midnight. Then a slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Breezy with lows in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 50%. Monday.
Here we go. 3 W100s and the 1650. Yay.
This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Alarm System in cooperation with the Emergency Alert System. Tests of this alarm system are conducted every Wednesday at 11 a.m. and at 7 p.m. If there is a severe weather threat, the tests are postponed until the next available good weather day. The alarm tone will activate for severe weather and other life-threatening emergency messages for the following 14 transmitters and associated broadcast areas. WXL 57 at Des Moines, WXL 94 at Bremer County, WXK 84 at Fort Dodge, KXI 98 at Marshalltown, KXI 62 at Montezuma, WXM 91 at Rathbun Lake, WNG 730 at Ottumwa, KZZ 51 at Carroll, KZZ 68 at Van Wert, KXI 65 at Lennox, WNG 666 at Iowa Falls, WNG 668 at Denison, WNG 680 at Reeston, KJY 63 at Forest City. For a detailed listing of what counties are served by each transmitter, please visit the NOAA Weather Radio section of our website at www.weather.gov/Des Moines. Once again, please visit the NOAA Weather Radio section of our website, www.weather.gov/Des Moines.
This concludes our test.
We now return to regular programming.
Alright, there we go. Have a great night, y'all.